Hey guys, we are here today to present you the new E2 with the GPS from Goosky. So what is this helicopter? This helicopter has been made for beginners to learn how to fly without thinking about crashing. It's almost impossible to crash this helicopter. This helicopter integrates a GPS with LiDAR sensor, so you can have a return to home, like a DJI drone, and also fly in attitude mode. So when you will push to go forward and you will stop, the helicopter will stop and don't move. You can put the radio on the ground, you can discuss with your friend, take a beer, and the helicopter will not move at all. So we're gonna open it because I think this helicopter can be the perfect Christmas gift for your boyfriend, for your girlfriend, for your family, for anybody, even for a dog. Like a dog can fly this helicopter for sure. So let's open this box. So what's inside? As you can see, this box has a locking mechanism, so you can keep using it. It's not a box that you just throw away. You can always put your helicopter inside and keep it inside. So first of all, you can see it from here. So we have the helicopter, we have the radio, and also the manual. The manual is very detailed, so you can directly see like a flight demo and the tutorial to set up the GPS, because the GPS needs to learn your satellite. So as this helicopter is built in China and you want to fly it in Europe, you will have to do like a little tutorial of like 30 seconds to learn the GPS. But you have the quick start gate, and there is also some video on Goosky, so if you want to check it out, you will be able. We have the radio here, so as you might know, I fly mode 1. But this radio have two springs coming for the throttle and also for the elevator. And it's directly coming with the battery inside, so you doesn't have, it's like all the Christmas gifts that you need to buy the battery separate. This one comes directly inside. What do we have? This helicopter, the new E2. So I took the blue one because I really like it, and I think like air rescue is very cool because I love to play with my nephew with this helicopter. So anybody can fly, and I love to give them the radio to learn how to fly with like a real helicopter. This is not a toy, but it can be like used like a toy. Like you can learn how to fly with it, and I really like this kind of things. You have the tail blade, also with very nice design on it. So it's a 4 blade for the tails. And we have the main blade. So main blade comes by 4 because it's a 4-blade helicopter like the real one. And we have the charger. This is the charger from Goosky. So it directly comes, like you just have to plug it in USB-C, like your Samsung charger, your iPhone charger, and you will be able to charge the battery from the helicopter. We also have some spare parts. Like Goosky always gives spare parts, and I really like it. So you have a main shaft, you have the screwdriver, so you can fix your blade, your tail blade, you got everything to make it fly. So if you come to the field with the box, you will be able to fly it within 30 minutes. Like the battery will take most of the time for charging while you build it. You have the screw for the blade, you have some manual, like how to build it. So like they explain to you like which blade goes to which side, and also for the canopy, how to open the canopy. And now we will see for the canopy. So this canopy has been developed to be able to take it out just by pushing on the side, and you can remove it. So it directly comes with the battery. So you can take it out to the battery. And this battery is a 1600 milliamps from Goosky, and it's a 30C. When I was flying it, I was able to fly at least 10 minutes and sometimes like around 15 to 20 minutes if I go like pretty slow. So yeah, this can open, so you have the 2 doors that's able to open. So you can directly see the mechanic inside, but it's more like a scale helicopter, so you don't really need to. But I love to see like if everything is going well on my motor and everything. So if you like this kind of helicopter, make sure to check with your favorite distributor in France, Europe, China, USA. They have it in stock, and I really think it could be a very, very, very good Christmas present for your friend, family, or whatever. So I'm very happy to present it for Goosky, and if you want to learn more, you can put a comment on the video, and we will make sure for the next video we will answer it. So thank you very much guys, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you.